Alright, once you get your system turned on and to this point, you go ahead and pick whether it's English, Spanish, whatever it is your language is. And I'm going to pick English. I have a keyboard, a wireless keyboard installed in my machine. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. The wireless keyboard from Walmart. I'm going to pick English. I'll probably speed up some of this stuff because some of it takes a little time, so we can make the video a little shorter. The first thing I'll do here is turn off the sound.
There. I'm Cortana, and I'm...
So you don't hear that anymore. Just click on that microphone right there. Make sure if you get a keyboard, get one with a mouse pad on it like this. See, I got this little pad right here I can move around, see. I just use a USB dongle that you plug in. Now I have a dongle expander on mine because I also plug in a USB drive that has the software stuff on it. Now in your case, you would download it from the website. Alright, here we go. Let's pick the region, which is the United States for me. Now remember this, when it comes up and asks for internet connection, do not turn that on yet. And this will speed up things. Matter of fact, it might hang it up if you have it on. We're going to skip the second keyboard layout. I don't even know what that even means. I guess some people have a couple keyboards, which is sort of weird to me. See right here where it says pick a wireless network, we're going to say we don't have one. That way to skip the login for Microsoft. In this case, since there is no connection, we're going to say continue with a limited setup. Agree to all that crap. In this case is where you're going to actually type in the name of the unit, which is just for your own sake. This unit I'm working on is going to be number 9, and the network is PANT, so it's a PANT-09. That network name right there will be something I will have to give you if you're going to set this up on your own. You'll get that when you activate a system. Alright, and then when it comes with the password, just next, don't put a password, that way it can boot up without requiring a login. All this stuff, you don't care about that, say no. Decline this stuff. Let's turn off the speech recognition to find my device. We'll leave the location on. Turn the diagnostic stuff off. Turn off this link typing, advertisement ID, and the tailored experience. Accept that. And this will take a minute. Now I'm going to pause it because this takes a little bit while it's setting up everything.